Hi, it's Abby from Abby and Steve's Rockin' Adventures. In this video, we're hiking to a volcano on the big island of Hawaii. We had to be prepared because it was a long hike. We hiked for miles on a gravel road with lava fields on both sides. The only trees were tiny ones growing out of coconuts. We were amazed by the houses surrounded by the lava field. After several miles, we could see the volcano in the distance where it meets the ocean. We got to a point where the road ends and we could watch the lava hit the ocean. Then we turned and headed up to the source of the lava. We were led by two locals. I wouldn't try this on my own. Eventually, we got to some red-hot lava that was moving very, very slow. And after watching some others roast marshmallows over it, I got my chance. The sun set as we were out there on the lava field. It was beautiful. Thanks for watching, and have fun traveling.